Bezel engagement ring and bezel wedding bands. For the ladies that love a bezel, this video is for you. We're going to talk all about it, what you need to consider for one of the most fabulous setting styles out there.
It's Miriam!
Okay, so what's a bezel? Well, for those of you that want a bezel, you know exactly what a bezel is, but I feel like I wouldn't be the jeweler that I am if I didn't explain it now. So basically a bezel means that the center stone is going to be framed in gold or platinum, white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, or platinum, whatever precious metal that you decide to choose for your engagement ring or wedding band. You're basically going to have a frame of metal around the center stone. So take a look at these two rings. You see the one on the left, you've got a prong setting, one on the right, you've got a bezel setting. When you're considering a bezel, here are the characteristics that you can choose from. Do you want a full bezel or a half bezel? The other thing, just like if you're framing a picture, you can decide how wide you want that frame to be. Some of my clients will tell me they want a bezel border that's as thin as possible and fine as possible because they want that accent of metal around the center stone, but they don't want it to be too overpowering or too chunky. Because the bezel is referring to the center stone, we can still do bezel on wedding bands. Take a look at these styles. See how one of them is a share prong versus a bezel setting, another one's a single prong versus a bezel setting. Completely different look when you frame the stones in a metal of your choice. So follow your instincts here. I would love to walk you through it. You know, we can do it in our virtual studio or in store, but I really like to take my clients through, you know, side-by-side comparisons, really trying to figure out, okay, what's the aesthetic that you want, the streamlined look. We're going to figure out the metal color. We're going to figure out if you want shoulder or no shoulder. We're going to figure out if you want diamonds on the band or no diamonds. There's so many different contenders, but really I would say what is the marker of this engagement ring style is the bezel around the center stone. One of the questions I get asked frequently is, if I do a bezel setting engagement ring, is it going to diminish the sparkle of the stone? Absolutely not. The stone is still going to sparkle the same. The only consideration that you're going to have is that you are going to have more surface area that's going to be covered by the metal bezel, but keep in mind, that's actually the look. So there you have it, bezel setting. You can do it for your engagement ring, you can do it for your wedding band, you can do it for any shape. I'd love to work with you on this. When you're ready, reach out to us and we will figure out the bezel that is right for you.